Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a Range Rover Evoque. So this is not our normal car that we deal in, but we got offered this in part exchange and it's quite a nice spec thing with good history, so we've decided to take it in. So the video is really just to show you how the car looks in the flesh if you're travelling a long way away. So it's got matching Pirelli Scorpion tyres all round. It's got 2 keys with it, and for the age and mileage I think it's really presentable. It's got a tow bar on it, but it doesn't really look like it's ever been used. It's HPI clear. It'll be supplied with 12 months MOT and a warranty with the option to extend. All the details of the spec will be on the advert. To be honest, I'm not sure what's standard and what's an extra on these, but it's got the memory seats, heated seats, meridian sound. It's got parking sensors as well with the display. And I think for the age and mileage, it's really well presented. I don't think it's got many owners as well, but we can check that, and that will be on the advert. We can offer part exchange and finance. As with all our cars, we do operate on a viewing by appointment system, just so people don't have a wasted trip. So if you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if you've got any questions, drop us an email or give us a ring. Thanks for watching.